Hey, how's it going, online fam? Have you ever thought about getting into the mortgage industry? It might sound complicated, but I'm gonna let you in on a little bit of a secret. It's not that complicated and simpler than you think. So step one is to take the 20-hour pre-licensure course. That's the first step to getting your MLO license. Second, you complete it online and you can do that at your own pace. You can take a few days or you can take a week, just depending on your schedule. So it's going to teach you all the basic information about mortgages and all the expectations moving forward in the industry, as far as helping people get to from A to Z in finding their dream home. Having the ability to do that is step one, is just taking this 20-hour course and getting that done. So step two is to go ahead and pass the Safe MLO test exam. It's a test. It's about a couple hours long, but once you pass this step, you're good to go. It's designed for people who are just starting out, so don't overcomplicate it. Just study beforehand. Make sure you get a good night rest beforehand, and boom, you're ready to go. I mean, did you know that it's only 20 hours? I mean, I didn't know at first. It's pretty short, right? So step three is getting licensed in your state. Each state is going to have slightly different rules and regulations, but the process is pretty straightforward. And once you got your license, you're officially ready to go to get started in the industry. All you got to do now is go find and pick a sponsor. The mortgage industry is waiting for you, so why not take the leap? So here's the best part, guys. The mortgage industry is a huge opportunity. The sky is the limit. There's no cap on your earning potential. People out there are looking for an MLO just like yourself to take in from A to Z. $100 or less to get started, and just take your state license. And I'll see you guys on the next video. See ya!